couple of callers lined up. I know Johnny is calling us tonight. He's in Talladega tonight. So, hey, Johnny.
Hello.
Hey there. Hey, Johnny.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. How may we help you?
Yes, my lawyer had called Friday, and the other side is trying to set up mediation.
Okay.
Well, I'm still trying to get a panel 4, and my attorney told me that they're trying to settle out of court with no medical. How can they do that when I don't have a panel 4 or a medical rating? In mediation, can I ask for that in this negotiation?
Well, that's Johnny. Well, you've raised a good point. When we mediate cases, typically we try to make sure that the parties have provided each other sufficient information on which you can negotiate and understand what you're getting into, so that you can determine what's a fair result, what's a fair settlement amount. So medical records are usually an important part of that whole process of sharing information. So I think you need to make sure that, if I heard you correctly, I think you need to make sure that that the parties have provided each other with the information that they need in order to understand and evaluate the case and come to a fair settlement.
Yeah, it sounds like you've got, just to follow up on what Ken said, it sounds like you've got a workers' comp case, and there may be a state, it's called an ombudsman, but that's basically a state agent who does mediations for people, and it's usually for free. So a lot of times your lawyer and the lawyer for the other side will get together, and a lot of times in mediation, claims don't resolve, but it gets people talking. And then a lot of times cases settle after we figure out what your lawyer may figure out, and he may figure out where the issues are. So I would go through with the mediation. You never have to do anything that you don't want to do. But it sounds like that's the process that you're going through, and you can at least make a little bit of progress in your case.